It's now 11 a.m. and Benson is still not awake. I think he's alive. He hasn't really slept in the last couple days though. Guess he's catching up on lost sleep. Trying to take it easy today, catch up on all the work we have, make some improvements to the website maybe if we have time. Also, it's Father's Day. Update, it's now noon. Benson is still not up and we gotta go like now. Benson. We have to go canoeing. Don't even bring your big camera, just bring the GoPro. Why? We have a mission right now. We have to wake up.
You're Brian.
So, what are we looking to do?
We're the Internet Adventure Club guys.
My understanding is you're going to go out and do trash collection or trash cleanup or something like that?
Yeah, any tips or tricks? Gladly.
The main thing is just stay calm and be patient with your paddling partner, because if you start screaming at each other, you're going to wind up flipping over.
No, why? Well, you go.
Then hurry up.
And it takes a minute to untie these shoes.
Slow down.
Okay, we only got one speed, Benson.
Don't. You're going to break it. Why are you in... What? No, you're going the wrong way. Oh, nice. I got it.